Hello friends and my dear students. In the previous video, we have seen about the structure of a chromosome, types of chromosome, the sex determination in man, birds, honeybees. Now, in this video, we have seen about the genetic disorder. These genetic disorders are broadly grouped or categorized into Mendelian disorder and chromosomal disorder. These Mendelian disorders are mainly caused due to alteration or mutation in gene. For example, thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, color blindness, hemophilia, phenylketonuria, etc. On the other hand, the chromosomal disorders are caused due to absence or excess of one or more chromosome on their abnormal arrangement. For example, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome. What is that thalassemia? This thalassemia is an autosomal inherited recessive disease. The hemoglobin molecule is made up of 4 polypeptide chain, 2 alpha and 2 beta chain. The synthesis of alpha chain are controlled by two closely linked genes HBA1, HBA2 on chromosome number 16, while the synthesis of beta chain is controlled by a single gene HBB present on chromosome number 11. Depending upon which chain of hemoglobin is affected, thalassemia is classified as alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. It is caused due to deletion or mutation of gene which code for alpha and beta globin chain that result in abnormal synthesis of hemoglobin. In thalassemia, the person shows the symptoms like anemia, pale yellow skin, change in size and shape of RBC, slow growth and development, dark urine, etc. The massive blood transfusion is needed to the patient. That thalassemia differs from sickle cell anemia. Now the Down syndrome. This Down syndrome is named after the physician John Langdon Down, who first described this autosomal disorder in 1866. This syndrome is caused due to an extra copy of chromosome number 21st. It shows the presence of 3 copies of 21st chromosome. Instead of homologous pair, one extra chromosome is get added here and that become 47 number. The 21st trisomy occur due to non-disjunction or failure or separation of a chromosome. During gamete formation, the incidence of non-disjunction is distinctly higher in mother who are over 45-year-old. The patient which are suffering from this Down syndrome, they shows the symptoms like they have mild or moderate mental retardation and skeletal development is poor. Distinct facial feature like small head, ear and mouth. Face is typically flat and rounded with flat nose. Mouth is open, tongue is protruding. Eyes are slant up and out with internal epicanthial fold. The hands are flat, stubby finger and palm is broad with a single palmar crease. This is the thalassemia and the Down syndrome. Now the Turner syndrome. It is the X monosomy or X0 in female. It is the sex chromosomal disorder caused due to non-disjunction of chromosome during gamete formation. Individual born with the Turner syndrome have 44 autosome and one less X chromosome. They are phenotypically female. They have a short stature, waved neck, lower posterior hairline, broad shielded shaped chest, poor development of ovaries and breast, and low intelligence. The Klinefelter syndrome. This syndrome is XXY found in male. It is the chromosomal disorder caused due to one extra X chromosome present in male. The genotype of individual is 44 plus XXY. They are described as feminized male. Extra chromosome is a result of non-disjunction of a X chromosome during the meiosis. Individual is a male and has overall masculine development. The voice speech is harsh and have underdeveloped testes. They are tall with long arm, feminine development, the development of breast, and no spermatogenesis. Therefore, these individuals they are the sterile. This shows the mental retardation, longer arm. This is and about the genetic disorders. Thank you.